Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I want to show you how exactly you can make money simply by using LUNO exchange and VALR crypto exchange in South Africa or wherever you are right now. So we all know that LUNO exchange and VALR exchange are local crypto exchanges that offer spot trading, and spot trading is all about buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. All right. So a question is, how exactly can you make money simply by buying cryptos and selling? Well, you have to buy low and sell higher at higher price. So let's say you decide to buy Bitcoin right now and make money using spot trading. So all you have to do is to go to crypto exchange like VALR or LUNO crypto exchange, and then create an account there and start trading by simply using spot trading, buying cryptos at lower price and then sell them later at higher price. But then many people don't know when exactly to buy these cryptocurrencies and sell these cryptocurrencies at a higher price. And this exactly I'm going to show you in this video, and I'm going to take you step by step showing you how exactly you can do this on VALR or LUNO crypto exchanges. I mean, it doesn't matter whatever crypto exchange you're using. You can be using Binance or even Bybit. This method pretty much works on all crypto exchanges, so it doesn't really matter where exactly you're going to do this spot trading thing and stuff like that. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so right now we're on VALR crypto exchange and this is a dashboard. Alright, looks like this and stuff like that. So if you don't know what spot trading is all about, well, spot trading is all about buying and selling cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. And VALR crypto exchange and LUNO as well offer spot trading. So how do you buy and sell cryptos on VALR? Well, I just want to take you through VALR crypto exchange. If you want to buy, you simply have to deposit funds right here using your local currency. So let's say you're in South Africa right now, you're gonna have to deposit your ZAR, South African rand, to VALR crypto exchange. Right, you're gonna have to click right there and they're gonna show you all the banking details and stuff like that you have to use. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, these are what exactly it's gonna look like. I mean, you don't have to copy these because this is special for my account. So if you deposit using this unique reference, you're going to deposit to my account, but then they're going to give you your unique reference that you're going to have to use to deposit funds to your account. So this is exactly what you're going to have to do if you want to deposit funds to your VALR account. But if you want to buy and sell, you can go to this tab where it's written buy and sell like this, and then it's going to show you different cryptocurrencies that you can take advantage of by buying and selling. So you can see that right here is written buy, and right here is written sell. So let's say you have successfully deposited funds into your VALR account. All I have to do is to click this button where it's written buy like this, and it's going to take me to this dashboard right here where I can be able to do all the conversions and buy cryptos and stuff like that. So you can see that I've at least like 10k right here in my account. So all I have to do is to put the amount of Bitcoin that I'm willing to buy right here. Okay, so let's say I want to spend at least 500 rand like this, and then this review button is gonna turn on. Okay, so if I click review buy, you can see that I'm gonna get this amount of Bitcoin, and I'm gonna spend this amount of South African rand. And this is how exactly you can buy and sell cryptos on VALR. All right, and this is a simple method. I'm just taking through showing you how exactly you can do it. And if you want to sell Bitcoin, let's say you have successfully bought Bitcoin and you want to sell it again, all you have to do is to click this button right here, and it's gonna take you to a selling dashboard. Okay, let me cancel this first and then click sell. Now here I can be able to spend all the Bitcoins I have. So let's say I have some Bitcoins in my account. As you can see, I have some Bitcoins right here, but this is too small. So all I have to do, let's say if I want to sell all of it, I can simply click this button right here, and then it's gonna show me amount that I'm gonna get in South African rand right here where it's written receive. So as you can see right here, it says the minimum is 0.001. So I don't have enough Bitcoins because all my cash is in South African rand. So another way to buy and sell on VALR is through exchange right here. So if I click this tab, it's going to take me to exchange dashboard, and this is where exactly you can set orders and stuff like that. I mean, I made a full video on this channel showing you how exactly you can buy and sell using LUNO app, and you can also check out that video, is in the description below as on the channel. So here is where exactly you can set orders, you can put the price and stuff like that. But other than that, I've showed you a simple way to buy and sell. But then the question is, how exactly can you buy and sell these cryptos? Because we all know that Bitcoin is very volatile, and you need to know when exactly you should be buying and when exactly you should be selling. So if I click right there, you can see that this is the trading view, and trading view is used to monitor price actions and stuff like that. So this is trading view, and right here you can see that I have Bitcoin and USD charts, right? So right here I'm using USD, I'm not using South African rand, but because VALR exchange is a local exchange, that's why I have South African rand. So this is the price of Bitcoin in South African rand right here, but this is the price of Bitcoin in US dollars. All right, so I'm just gonna clear out anything right here because I want to show you a method that you can use to buy and sell cryptos using spot exchange. So let me just clear pretty much anything right now because I want a clean chart like this so that you can be able to see pretty much anything. So I'm just gonna remove myself a little bit right here. So guys, doesn't really matter right now, to be honest, whether you're gonna use South African rand, I mean whether you're gonna see the price in South African rand or in US dollars. So right here, all I have to do is I have to go to BTC and USD, right, like this, and click right here, and it's going to show me the price of Bitcoin in USDT. All right, USDT simply mean US dollar. So a trick right here is you need an indicator. An indicator is something that helps you and gives you signals and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you right now what I use. So personally, I use heavy crypto indicator. All right, so if you don't know what heavy crypto indicator is, well, this is an indicator that shows you when is good time to buy and when is good time to sell. It looks like this. All right, this is what exactly it look like. This is another version, updated version of heavy crypto pro. So this indicator simply tells you when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. As you can see, it gives you buy and sell signals. When it says buy, it means that the price of Bitcoin might go up and you have to buy. All right, that's when you have to go to VALR or LUNO exchange and buy. Okay, and then later when it says sell, it means that the price of Bitcoin might actually go down. That's when you have to go to VALR and click sell right here and sell Bitcoin. Okay, as you can see, I don't have strong network right now and my PC is lagging, but then when it says sell, when it says sales like this, you have to go to VALR crypto exchange and click sell and sell your cryptos, or simply by using this tab I showed you earlier in this video. Okay, so this is it, guys. I mean, this method works pretty much good, and I made a lot of videos about heavy crypto indicator and stuff like that, and you can also use this indicator on futures trading. So this is a secret that I wanted to show you guys, because you cannot trade using a chart like this, negative chart like this. I mean, this chart does not show you when exactly you should be buying and when exactly you should be selling. But if you use heavy crypto indicator, it's gonna show you when exactly you should be buying and when exactly you should be selling. And you can also use this indicator on futures trading and stuff like that. I mean, you can use this indicator on different time frames. It works on all time frames. Okay, as you can see, this is 4-hour time frame, and you can see that right here it says sell, and the price of Bitcoin has been going down like this. Okay, so this was the time to be selling. Okay, but right here it says buy, and you can see that the price of Bitcoin went up to 30k. So this indicator works very well. So the question is, how exactly you can get this indicator? Well, you can get it on Heavy Crypto Academy or on my Telegram group, or simply by clicking the link in the description below. There's a link to this indicator in the description below at the very top. and that's where exactly you can get this indicator. So guys, my name is Arthur. On this channel I show you different methods to make money simply by trading cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. So if you are into crypto, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. On this channel I show you different methods on how exactly you can be making money and stuff like that. So this was just a quick one telling you a trick that I use simply by trading spot trade and make money using VALR crypto exchange. So guys, this is it. My name is Arthur. Don't forget to join my Telegram group. The link is in the description below. The link to indicator is also in the description below as well. So this is it, guys. My name is Arthur. Therefore I'll send you the video. Love and peace, my friends.